Hi everyone, this is Christy with the Element Soap here in Dallas, and today's video is going to be a quick one. We're just going to create a super simple, quick logo that we're going to be using for our videos on creating different product labels. So we're going to, in the spirit of what I love to do, we're going to use a free resource, which is canva.com. And I will leave a link to this website in the description box. So we go to Canva. I am already logged in. You have the option for free and paid accounts. I think I used to have a paid account, but I wasn't using it as much as I needed to, so I stopped paying for it. But they have tons and tons of free content. You'd be hard pressed to not find something that you like. So sign up for a free account and you can download your designs that you create without a Canva watermark on them. So they have templates for some of everything: posts, Instagram stories, invitations, business cards, all the things. So we're looking for logos. So we click on logos, or you could have done a search up here for logos, and we want to filter out the pro. Anything that you see that has a little crown, when you hover over it, that is pro content. That means that's paid content. We're not looking for that. We're looking for only free content. So we come over here and we just check the free. And they have tons and tons of free logos for whatever business, organization, whatever you're trying to do. So we can pick something super simple. Um, we can pick something that's really fun and quirky. If this is, you know, it goes on whatever message you're trying to convey to your customer. So this looks like a typical it could go for a soap studio or a soap business. It has a plant there, so people think natural. So we're going to go ahead and say customize this template. So once you select it, they are going to also recommend some other things that you may be interested in. So you can always go back and change it. Like that's super cool looking to me. I don't know that it screams soap, but I love it. But we are going to stick with this one that we chose. And so what I like about using Canva is that it is nice, professional quality graphics. It is already well composed, all the things, and all you have to do is just customize it. Put the name of your company or what you want to communicate to your customers. You can customize the colors of the elements of the label, everything from the background to the outlines to the actual drawings or illustrations. All these things are customizable. What I would recommend though, if you do not have a good grasp on color theory as it relates to design or art, you want to stick with the colors that it comes with, or do very, very little color shifting, because it can end up destroying your design. All right, and I'm talking too much. So let's go ahead and get into editing. Now, for this particular design, we are going to name our company something that looks like it fits with that. They already have botanical, so we can just say botanical soaps or botanical body. I like body because we're going to be labeling more than just soaps. So the name of our company today is Botanical Body. And then down here, we can just put what we're making. Cosmetics. Oops, I can't spell today. We can say Botanical Body Cosmetics, or we can just say established 2011. And we don't even need to do all that because, again, this is a logo. It's going on a wrapper for a product. The product will be identified somewhere else on the label. All right, so we can change this background if we choose. And if you want to get this out of the way, just click this little arrow and it'll hide that box. And so if we want to change anything, if we want to change the outline color, we click it. It brings this color selector and you can change the color. I'm not changing any of those colors. I may try to do this background white just to see if I like the way it looks. And if I don't, then I'll just Control Z to undo it or click this button to undo. All right, so I actually like that a little bit better because when you think about printing on different types of paper or different colors of paper, you don't want too much color behind your logo. You want it to be blank so that the color of the paper can shine through and you won't have this weird gray shaded box. All right, so I'm happy with that. I don't want to do any other changes. Um, I do want to do other changes. I'm sorry. I don't really care for the way that those numbers are super tiny compared to the size of the letters. So we're going to go over here to our font drop down menu, and the fonts are just like the graphics. Anything with a crown is pro or paid content. It is not free. So we're going to just click around to see if we find something that we like. I don't know that I want anything scripty because it just looks weird. Ooh, that's chunky. All right, let's see. Okay, that's nice and clean. I like it. All right, once we get that done, then you can come up here and name your design. So we're going to say botanical body logo, and then we're going to download it. It is automatically going to suggest PNG, and when you click the drop down menu, it shows you the other options that you have that are available in the free version of this website. SVG, which is scalable vector graphics, is a higher quality image that is only available on the paid or the pro version. So we're going to stick with PNG. It'll work for what we're doing. And then we're going to download. All right, and all of that can go out of the way. And so now we click to open it. So there's your logo. It is completely done. It is ready for you to use on your labels, on your business cards, on your marketing materials. And it looks like you paid a professional to create you a nice, simple logo. Now, what I will say is it's better to have a simple logo because you want to always make sure that it looks just as good in black and white as it does in color. If it has too many elements or too much fine detail, those things get lost when you're talking about scaling it down to a very small size. So I thank you for hanging out with me, and keep checking back. We're going to be using this logo in a couple of upcoming videos. All right, guys, thank you, and I will see you on the other side. Peace.